The piece Meek started off as a movement research to deepen my choreographic language, and then both of us felt like we wanted to make it into a work of its own. And then later on, we also added, to expand on the movement quality, it also became a study of time and of tension. And silence has a lot to do with that. Also, I've made a lot of other pieces in silence, and I feel like tension in the performance is something that's really important for me. And I feel like that silence is sort of like a tool to manipulate tension, to manipulate time, and it felt necessary for the work. For me, I don't really have a preference. I think that dancing has its own thing and choreography has the other thing, and I think that by doing both roles, I also, learn more about one position than the other and how to, work in both.
I really prefer the role of a dancer, or the role of someone that's assisting more, so a choreographic assistant or rehearsal director. So also a bit how this has been, that we also help each other. So it's a very co-creative process. So this for me is very nice.
I don't know, I think first of all, just like moving to a different country exposes you to a whole different culture and way of living, and I think just the shock of that and a new environment just gives you a lot. But otherwise, I also feel like, being in Sweden and the Netherlands, it's also like, dance is very different there in both of those countries, but also very different from Slovenia, and I felt like that, I just got exposed to a lot of different things, and I felt like that was, a very valuable experience.
I really agree with that. Living in a different country gives you a lot of new tools to work with, and especially within dance. I feel like the Netherlands has a very vibrant scene, and for me coming to Slovenia and also being here, it also gives a lot of new information to work with. And I think living and working or being abroad and taking from different cultures and different sort of ways of lives is quite not important, but amazing. And I don't know, for me it's been a very nice thing to add.
I don't think it's a must, but I recommend. Or I don't know, I think it's really good.
Yeah, I mean, each to their own, pretty much. But I really like being able to travel and being able to work abroad and meet new people and get inspired by new, not just people, but cultures in a way that you don't really get from where you live.
I really like my hometown. It's also been really nice this year to be back here more and to also have the privilege to work here. I've also, brought people to work here with me from abroad, and I also think that, in the Netherlands everything is flat and just like you don't take the mountains for granted anymore. And it's, I don't know, my work has been performed here now, and I would really like to continue doing that and to also rehearse here more. And I feel like there's already a lot of dance things happening here, but I think that there's also room for a lot more, and I would love to be also, more engaged and to do more things here in the future.